straight. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Graduating students of 2020 batch of all the programs, those who are graduating from IHM Guwahati, the BSc in Hotel Management, the PG, Diploma in Accommodation Operation Management, and the Craftco students. This year has been a special year for all of us, a challenging year, 2020. We stopped all classes as per government regulations in the month of March, and when I am speaking to you in the month of November, we are not yet open for all our academic activities. This has been really tough year as far as the health and survival is concerned, but at the same time, the time passed so soon. You people are already graduating from the college. You are going to different walks of life, some into the field of education, some for the job once the industry reopens. We have tried this year. In your formal send-off, we could not meet in person, but we are trying to convey our good wishes message to all of you over virtual mode. I wish each one of you that you be successful in your life, be a good human being, and wherever you go, you keep the flags flying for IHM Guwahati. Thank you and all the best.
My dear students, my good wishes are always with you, and I wish you all the best for your near future. I have a nice line for all of you that is well said by Albert Einstein. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of values. Thank you. All the best.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे। रंगत के अपने वो दिन, ओ जीवन पे नई जवानी की चढ़ी सी रंगत के अपने वो दिन। याद है फिल्मों के पुराने आरडी, बर्मन के वो गाने, बैंड के कीबोर्ड के और गिटार के दिन थे। वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
If you want to reach high and soar high, you need to have courage and willpower to leave the ground below. A very good day to everyone. I'd like to thank each and every one of you present here for adding value to my life and for giving me a bag full of memories. I express my sincere gratitude to all my students and send best wishes for the future endeavor. I believe each of you is a gem and will take the learning gathered here to a higher level of prosperity. Good luck to everyone.
My dear outgoing students of postgraduate diploma, 6th sem of 3 years degree course and the craft course students, my best wishes to all of you. Be positive always. Good opportunity will come in the coming days, so don't get worried. Definitely good days and good opportunity will be there for all of you. So my best wishes again to all of you, and be positive always.
Good afternoon. I hope you and your family is safe. Now the time has come to be apart, since you are there with us for last 3 years. And at this moment, we would like to say you goodbye. I wish all of you a very happy and prosperous life in future. I hope you will bring name, fame for you, for your family, and for the institute. At last, all the best to you all. Thank you so much.
Dear students, as you all begin a new chapter in your life, I wish you much happiness, joy, and a very, very successful future. Wish you all the very best. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hello everybody. This is the time when we bid farewell to all the passing out students of 2020 batch. This year we couldn't put a formal farewell meeting, but though we would like to invite you all whenever you get time, please visit IHM Guwahati once again and please meet us and do remember us. I wish everybody would climb to the highest position in the hospitality field, especially to the third year students, craft students and PG students. I really had an enjoyable time and memorable moments with you all, and I wish I can see you again, meet you again sometime in future. Thank you so much and wish you best of luck. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody. First of all, a hearty congratulations to all of you for successfully completing this 3 years BSc program. Well, this 3 years has been a wonderful journey for you. I hope you enjoyed each and every moment of this journey. Well, if you still remember, we first met in the first year when you're all fresh and blank without knowing what is hospitality. But see now, you're all ready for joining the hospitality industry. Well, I would like to thank you for being a part of IHM Guwahati, and I wish you a success in your future. Well, you all are the flag bearers and the brand ambassadors of IHM Guwahati. You are like the mirror, so you reflect the image of IHM Guwahati. So this flag, please bear it with you and spread the goodness of IHM Guwahati. Spread the light of IHM Guwahati. Let your light shine. Well, I hope this 3 years has been one of the best 3 years of your life, and you have learned a lot of things. But guess what? Now is the actual journey of life starts. The actual journey of life, now it starts. So may God give you all the strength to go ahead and be wonderful human beings. Once again, I wish you all the best from the core of my heart, and I do believe that you will excel wherever and whichever field you go. So wish you all the best and do well. Thank you.
Every beginning comes from some other beginning's end. This is the beginning of anything you want. I can still recollect your initial days here. Guys, you're entering a new phase of life. So remember to keep calm and be steady. I'm sure all of you will have a great future ahead. And yes, I'll miss you. So remember, be well, do good work, and do not forget to keep in touch. God bless all of you.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. So every beginning has come from some other beginning's end. 3 years ago you have started your journey, which has come to an end now. Saying goodbye for us is very difficult, but goodbye is necessary so that we can meet again. I sincerely hope we will meet again. When, how, that we don't know, but I hope to meet you again. Shine in your life. All the best for your future. Always keep smiling and be happy.
Dear students, I wish you all the very best for your near future. Thank you and have a good life.
सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है। जो सब करते हैं यारो वो क्यों हम तुम करें, यूं ही कसरत करते करते काहे को हम मरे। घर वालों से टीचर से भला हम क्यों डरे, यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर। पर हमसे बच के रहना मेरी जान।
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें
तो क्या जाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। ये गलियां अपनी, ये रास्ते अपने, कौन आएगा अपने आगे? राहों में हमसे टकराएगा जो, हट जाएगा वो घबरा के। यहाँ के हम सिकंदर, चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे पंगा मत लेना मेरी जान। नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। सिकंदर, चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हम भी है शहजादे गुलफाम।
नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है,
हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। नहीं समझे हैं वो हमें तो क्या जाता है।
Hello everyone, to all my students from BSc, Craft and PG, I would like to say that each of you has a potential to become the leaders of your own working spheres. Your academic life may have ended here, but always remember that learning is a never-ending process. I wish you a bright future, may you all successful in your life, and my heartfelt good wishes with always with you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Hello students, change is the only constant. Life is incomplete without a mixed bundle of joys and sorrows. Many times we find ourselves in situations where we feel so much yet fail to express it in words. If you want to reach heights and soar high, you need to have the courage and willpower to leave the ground below. I wish all of you get success in your career and be happy always. I am going to miss you. Thank you all.
To the batch of 2017, I'm sure all of you all have had wonderful memories here at IHM Guwahati, and I'm sure you're going to be building more in the near future to come. So here's wishing you a very joyous and very happy life ahead, and here's wishing you a sweet goodbye from all of us here at IHM Guwahati. Thank you.
My dear students, set your goals high and always dream big. You have gained all the knowledge, skills and wisdom you need in life. From now on, it's all about continuous self-improvement. Always keep up the dedication and sincerity. It has been a remarkable journey with you all. Each of you have potential to become leaders of your working spheres. I wish you a bright future and a prosperous life. Take care, stay happy always. God bless you all.
A very warm welcome to all those who are present in this online prestigious momentous occasion. So dear students, unfortunately this year we could not have physical farewell with your batch because of this ongoing pandemic that is going on. But again, your health and your safety is much more important for all of us. As bittersweet memories cloud my mind, I look back at all the memories I had with your batch. Your dedication towards your academics, extracurricular activities and others will always be remembered by all the faculty members. I wish you all the best, dear students. Now you will enter new phase of life. Some of you will join job, some of you will opt for the further study, or maybe some of you must have some other plans. So I wish you once again all the best, dear students. Keep on visiting us and thank you.
Greetings to you all. You all are leaving the college life and I want to bid you a very warm farewell. Wish you all the best in life and do well. Thank you.
Dear batch of 2020, I wish you all the best in all your future endeavors. I'm sure you all will succeed in your respective fields and add more feathers to our hat. Stay healthy and stay in touch.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त। नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में, अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। पे फिदा महबूब वो, पलकों पे जो रखे तुझे महबूब वो, जिसकी वफा तेरे लिए हो। अरे यारो मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार।